Welcome to Alliée Homes. How to create new inquiry. Go to Inquiry section. Then please click on Create New Inquiry. Now you have to fill mandatory details in Create New Inquiry form. When it's done, please click on Create New Inquiry. Now you can see here your new inquiry in Running Inquiry section. Now company will approve your inquiry. Now you can see here company has been approved your inquiry. Then time for site visit. Once your site visit is done, please click on Site Visit Done. When all appropriate and relevant requirements are collected, click on Requirement Collected. Now it's time for Create Quotation. You can see product list and you can select particular product as per your requirement. Add your quantity. Add your courier charges or installation charges. And add to cart. After your selection is done, click on Generate New Quotation. Now you can add or delete your product and update quotation. You can see here print quotation. Now it's time for request for proforma invoice. Now company will generate proforma invoice. Now it's time for payment. We have many options. You can pay via scanner, UPI, credit card, debit card, net banking. Once your proforma invoice generated and payment done, your order is confirmed. Now please go to Order section. You can see here your order is in production. After your order is dispatched, you can see here your order details step by step. Now it's time for technician. Technician can operate portal only by phone. Technician will update on installation and training. Now you can see your inquiry details. Once your installation and training are done, it means your inquiry is completed.